Okay, so this is the little electric chainsaw that I got. It is name brand chainsaw. Like my laptop is name brand laptop. It's from China. No, name brand is it, but it is still China. It's a weird one. It's Zonvium. Anyhow, good enough reviews for what it's going to be used for. We shall see. Get some of the oil in that chain. I'd like to say, ooh, she sounds powerful, but it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, it's too late. Let's just cut this. Oh, I like it. Mm, I like it a lot. Just for fun. Nice. Anyhow, that cut's pretty good. I like it. The reader says it's at 0% battery, but the battery itself says it's fully charged. So, oh, chain is a little loose. I have to tighten that up now that it's warm. Nice. It gets my approval. Okay, let's see here. Loosening up the chain. This is that. Okay, so we just loosen this. I like to keep the bar tipped up. Tighten. Ah, there we go. Tighten. Nice. I like it. It's pretty good. 12-inch. That cuts decent. I mean, you don't want to do the full length of the bar. It'll probably exhaust the heck out of it. But if you do 2/3 of it, that's a decent sized log still. So I like it. All right. So luckily, obviously they knew it'd kind of be this way. They sent 2 chains, but this chain on this chainsaw, I've had maybe a solid hour's worth of cut time with it, and it snapped. I'll probably just go get it repinned. But yeah, so they sent a second one, so I'm just gonna put that on and have at her. I know it's gonna be hard to see, but that chain I literally just took out of a package, so it was repackaged. But I was looking at the chain while I was walking back to my cut site. It's hard to see here. Let's see if I can get it to focus. But it's obviously a used chain. It's already worn. It's got some burnish marks on the teeth. Come on. Let's see. Anyhow, you can see that there's a nice sharp one there. That one is rounded. I can't get it to spin because it doesn't do that. Where's another one here that shows a burn mark from use? Like that one is even chewed up. It's not even a clean edge. Some of them have like, God, look at how chewed up that one is. I haven't even used this yet. There's no sawdust on it, nothing. And it is obviously a used blade they gave me, or chain, for goodness sakes, jerks. This is halfway cut through this tree. It's a birch. It's actually pretty good. It's fairly dead. It's not, still got some solidness to it, but yeah, I'm just waiting. The dogs had to show up right when I'm cutting through it, so anyhow. See if I can get this. I don't have a tripod, so I'm hanging my coat up and putting the phone in the pocket. Okay, now get out of the way, Pep. I'm cutting a tree down. Go. Go on. Go get the squirrel. Leave the phone going. Come on. Come on, you guys. Go. Come on. Come in. Go. Go. Earth. Yahoo! I don't know if I want that one. Not just yet.